In this video, I'm going to show how to create and run a Slurm script in Red HPC. In order to use Slurm, you need to log into the red.lamar.edu by using SSH client PuTTY. The host name is red.lamar.edu. After you log into the Red, you are in your home directory, and then you can create your own Slurm script file in there. For example, after you log into your home directory in the login node, red.lamar.edu, and this is your home directory. And you can VI to create a script file. The first line is always start bash. Following line, you can create script. To save time, I'm going to copy a file here. I'm not going to type one by one. Save it. You will see your test script is created, but you need to change it into executable. For example, if I ls test.sh, the here is read write, read. So it cannot execute. So you need change it to executable. You will see you has execution your own group or public. So that is a 755. Okay. For easy to create script, I put example file into a share folder. It's in the home. You can use tab to finish that one. Share, tab, and example, tab, and Slurm, tab, and then you can copy all the script file into your local directory. Actually, it's only one file that is Slurm test.sh file. This is example. You can modify this one. For example, open it by VI editor. You will see the first line pound exclamation mark being bash. The first line is job name. You can give your own job name. The mail type I put is end or fail. If something happens, failed, send me email. If the program ends, send me email. I'll give your email address. The defined nodes number, I'm using only one nodes. Number of tasks is total 4. Number of tasks per nodes, 32. The war time, this is hour, minutes, seconds. I defined here is 10 minutes. Actually, does not need that long. Partition is queue name. Most of the time, you are using this default queue, DEF queue. The output name, your job name, underscore, and then job ID, and that out. If you are using MPI, to load module MPI, give a date, TWD, that means what time and which directory you submit job. Give an echo to write test started. And then from here, you can write your own program. In this case, I only write uname, give a host name. Date, that means after you finish all your code, and give the time, put a timestamp, echo the total program finished, and then certainly exit at 0 successfully. Okay, so exit this one. Before you submit, remember SSH to red 1, that is our master node. You see here you log in the login node, but when you finish your script and everything is ready, you go to red 1 to submit. The command as bash from current directory /slurm to run your job. You will see your job ID 60931, and then you can use SQL to look at Here is not has your job ID. Probably it's running very fast. It's already finished. To check your email, you will see this job ID 60931 ended complete SQ0. That means successfully. Okay, and then you can ls to see. You will see this output file. So you can view your output file 6931. You see here, you will see what time you submitted, and from your home directory, the test started. This is the command you are running. Host name is node21 run your job. What time you finished, give the echo text says test finished. Okay, you are successfully finished your job, and then you exit from the master node, and then you are in your home directory. From here, you can write another program. Okay, this is the basic procedure. Always remember to submit a job into the master, SSH into master. Otherwise, you directly submit from the login node, you will get error message. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. See you next time.